Quit your side hustle. Do this instead. Most side hustles are overrated. Everyone online is screaming about the top 10 hustles you need to start today, like driving for Uber, selling random stuff on Etsy, or flipping shoes. But the fact is that most of these side hustles aren't actually helping you build long-term freedom. They just give you more work on top of the work you already have. So, in this video, I want to show why you should quit chasing side hustles and what to do instead. And once you see how this works, it's gonna feel like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. But first, let's understand why side hustles don't work long-term. You are tired after your regular job. You try to squeeze in time for your side hustle. The money comes in, but it's small and it feels like you're trading time for pennies. After a few weeks, you're burnt out and back to square one. If this sounds like you, don't stress it. I've been there too. And that is why I started thinking differently. Because the truth is that most side hustles are just second jobs. They don't actually move you toward freedom. And what you actually need is the mindset shift. So instead of asking, what side hustle should I start? I started asking, how can I build something once that keeps paying me over and over again? This is the right shift you need, because when you focus on systems instead of hustles, you stop working harder and start working smarter. I will break this down step by step so you see what I mean. All right, let's slow this down and walk through the exact steps so you don't miss anything. Because once you get this right the first time, the rest becomes almost automatic. This system you have access to right now, this is not some simple little tool. If you tried to build something like this on your own from scratch, it would literally cost you thousands of dollars, not to mention the time. If you're brand new to online marketing, I'm talking about a year or more just to get all the pieces together. The website, the emails, the automation, the traffic setup, the integrations. It's a lot. Even for me, and I've been in this space for years. Building a full marketing system like this takes a huge investment of time and money. That's exactly why I choose to promote systems that are already built for me. Think about it. Why spend endless hours behind a computer screen piecing everything together when you can plug into something that's already been tested, optimized, and proven to work? One of the main reasons I got into this business in the first place was to have freedom. I don't want to grind away every day just setting up tools. I want to enjoy life, spend time outside, be with family, travel, relax, while my business runs in the background. And here's the beauty of the system. It takes the pressure off you. You don't have to be a salesperson. That's one of the biggest fears people have about this industry. They don't want to feel pushy or awkward selling stuff. But with this setup, you don't have to. The system does the heavy lifting for you. It presents the offers, follows up with leads, and closes sales. All you're doing is sending people to the funnel. Now, let's talk about income streams. I've told you before that the average millionaire has around 6 to 8 streams of income. This system, it's got 8 built right in. Are you gonna make money from all 8 every single day? Of course not. But over time, as people go through the funnel, they will realize they need different tools to grow their own online business. Maybe today they need an autoresponder. Tomorrow, they might need hosting. Next week, they might decide to upgrade for traffic tools. And every time they do, that's another stream of income for you. But this is something important though. If you don't have all the income streams activated, you are leaving money on the table. If someone buys through your funnel and you're not qualified for that commission, it passes up to the next person who is. And that's how this works. And that's why I'm plugged into all of them. It's not just about the commissions. I actually need these tools myself. They're real, practical business tools. Take SendShark, for example. That's the autoresponder. What it does is simple but powerful. It automatically sends emails for you. You could be out walking by the lake, grabbing groceries, or even sleeping, and this tool is sending out messages, following up with your leads, and keeping your business running. It's like having a 24/7 employee that never takes a break. And this takes pressure off you. Your main focus isn't building products or writing code or trying to reinvent the wheel. Your job is traffic. That's it. Get people to the funnel and the system does the rest. That's also why I created this community to show you my exact process for driving traffic and building momentum. The community is free right now for members, and the whole point is to prove to you that making money online doesn't have to be complicated. You've seen the results already. This system works. I'm not doing anything crazy behind the scenes. I'm just sending people to a website, and the system is handling the follow-up, the sale process, and the conversions. So don't overcomplicate this. Don't think you have to create your own products or spend months building a system from scratch. Plug into what's already working, focus on sending traffic, and let the automation handle the heavy lifting. That's how you build leverage income. And that's how you start stacking streams of revenue without burning yourself out. Step 1, head to Super Affiliate Funnel. Log into Super Affiliate Funnel. The Super Affiliate Funnel is an all-in-one system for affiliate marketing. Instead of you trying to figure out a million moving pieces on your own, it gives you everything already set up. You get pre-built funnels, automated email sequences that do the follow-up for you, and built-in sales processes that are designed to actually convert. And the best thing is, it's not just about one product. It's set up to generate multiple income streams for you. That means you're not relying on a single thing to make money. Everything is already working together to maximize your earnings. And all you really have to focus on is sending people into the funnel. When it opens, your eyes are going to land on a section that says, don't forget to advertise. Don't just go over it. That's your gold mine. Think of it as the toolbox that saves you hours of trial and error. Instead of you sitting there scratching your head, wondering what to write in an email or how to pitch your offer, this section gives you ready-to-use material that's already designed to grab attention. If you're wondering what's this, these are actually done-for-you emails and resources, and trust me, they're written to convert. Now, take the time to actually understand the system they're using. That's why I recommend hitting pause and watching the training videos from David, the creator of this whole setup. These aren't boring, drag-on lessons. David goes step by step, breaking down different traffic strategies, like how to use my lead gen secret to build your list fast, and how to leverage Udemy for targeted solo ads. Because traffic is the lifeblood of this whole business, you can have the best emails in the world, but if no one sees them, it doesn't matter. These videos not only show you where to get traffic, but also why these methods work and how to avoid wasting money. And even though I will explain it in my own way, getting that knowledge straight from the guy who built the system gives you extra confidence. So, log in, don't forget to advertise, grab your emails, but before send anything, binge watch those training videos. Step 2, grab your email. This one's real quick. Inside Super Affiliate Funnel, pick the email you want to send. Start with one, no need to complicate things. Copy the subject line first. Step 3, log in to My Lead Gen Secret. Click on Mailing System, hit Select All so you're sending your message to every single lead you've got. For example, I had just 500 leads at the start, but since this platform adds 100 new leads daily and even doubles that when you refer people, now I've got over 2,000. That means 2,000 people are seeing my emails, and that number just keeps growing. Step 4, paste your subject line and message. Drop the subject line into the subject box, then scroll down and delete the filler text inside the editor. Go back to Super Affiliate Funnel, copy the email body, and paste it in here. Step 5, add your affiliate link. This part is very important. Look for the URL in the message. You will know it's yours because it has your affiliate ID attached. Highlight that link, click the little chain icon, paste your URL, and hit OK. That's it. Your link is now clickable. Before you send it off, tweak the formatting. I like to bump the font size up to 18 so it's easier to read. Now, check perfect timing. That makes sure your email lands when your subscribers are most likely to open it. Then hit send email. And just like that, your message goes out to thousands of people. Step 6, set up your autoresponder, SendShark. Now from here, things get exciting. Your emails aren't just one and done. With SendShark, the autoresponder, you can build a list of subscribers who keep hearing from you automatically. I've already got over 400 subscribers in mine, And those follow-up messages keep working in the background even while I'm sleeping. To connect it, just go back to Super Affiliate Funnel. Click Autoresponder Setup, sign up for Send Shark, and link it up. All of David's pre-written emails are ready to load in. So every new person who joins your funnel will start receiving messages without you lifting a finger. Step 7, share your experience. Here's the part most people skip, but it makes all the difference. Create short, quick videos, just 1 to 2 minutes long. You don't need to sell anything, just share your honest thoughts. How you're using the system, what results you're seeing, and why you like it. Post these on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. People love seeing real people talk about real experiences. But remember, you don't need to be a pushy salesperson. Your job isn't to convince anyone. Your job is just to show what's working for you. When people see that, they get curious, and curiosity is what drives clicks. So, to recap, go to Super Affiliate Funnel, grab your emails, log into My Lead Gen Secret, paste subject plus body, add your affiliate link, format, send, set up Send Shark, let autoresponders run on autopilot, create short, authentic videos, post consistently. Do this daily, keep stacking those leads, and you will see how the system builds momentum. This is the exact formula that turns cold traffic into real results. So yeah, coming back to what we started, focus on building systems, not just hustles. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's simple. And once you make that switch, you will realize you don't need 10 hustles. You just need one system that actually works for you. Stick with me because in the next videos, I will break down different ways you can apply this step by step. But for now, start small and focus on one thing at a time. Build around it and give yourself the chance to escape the hustle treadmill for good.